dragging out of his mouth. Oh shit, you better watch out, I go all out and fucking do another bit, run to the liquor, so I can get drunk quicker. My life was fucked, I figured, but I'm still busting, this shit won't stop till the day I die. Even though I can say I tried to survive, but I didn't make it. We got silly, and we got the hunger lady, and we got finesse. Oh shit, this life's a test, fuck the rest, badly rich, no mess. Oh shit, what can I do? Oh shit, my life's a mess, but I still press myself. Oh shit, just like an iron. Oh damn, these fucking enemies are getting smashed on, just like a smashed tire. Oh shit, but what the fuck, I ain't no liar, I spit this shit. What the fuck, I got that fire inside and it burns non-stop, and it'll never go away. In the streets where these ghetto kids playing, that's true shit. When I catch these busters slipping, oh shit, I get through dipping. In the fucking car that we got, homeboy, yeah, we still sipping on that fucking rock and roll, rolling rock. Oh shit, what's ready to go? Oh shit, bitches want the cop. Oh shit, but I just won't stop. I don't give a fuck until I hit the top. Even though I still spit this shit just like a fucking taboo. Oh damn, don't let me get a grip of you, cause if I do, my jaw will fucking be unlocked. Fuck these bitches, I still do what I do. Even though I'm in my own mind, I can't get out. I spit these rhymes just all the time, cause I came, I died and resurrected. I infected the nation, injected with heroin. Drugs is medicine, God don't let us in. I'm knocking on God's door. Fuck this beat, cause I don't need this shit no more. I still spitting this shit when I'm walking down the street, and I just memorize all my rhymes. Don't stop it.
What the fuck?